Hi and welcome to this lesson. I will explain how you can export a video simulation of your project using the Simulate Timeliner in Navisworks. You can click after you have checked all the simulation are correct. You can click on this icon, which is called Export Animation. It's asking for the source. The source is the timeliner simulation or the current animator theme. They all are the same thing. The timeliner simulation, which is the one we have. The renderer, it's the viewport, not the Autodesk. It's the viewports that we have in here, our local computer. The format is Windows AVI. If you want to export a video, you can't use a JPEG or PNG or bitmap. This will export only images. The video would be exported using Windows AVI. You can click on options. It have the compressor, full frames uncompressed. If you want to change the compressor, you can select any one of these. I will export the full frames and click OK. The size of the video, you can use the view that you have here. It will show what view on the same view and make the width and height accordingly. Or you can use explicit and type in if you want. Let's say I want like I have HD 720 by 1280 frames per second with anti-aliasing multiplier. You can choose any one you want. I can choose 8 with the frames per second as 15 frames per second. Let's not go too high because it would result with a very large video in size, and click OK. It will prompt us where to save our video simulation. I will save it in this folder. Let's call this 4D simulation and click save. It will export this video. Let's check this video after the export has been finished. This is our video for the simulation. As you can see, the overlay text here is changing with the construction of elements. Every element is built according to its correct timeline. All this was easy because we managed to apply the process in a correct application using the task ID parameter. And that's it. And this concludes this tutorial and this lesson. Thank you.